Today, we're going to teach a 10-year-old how to day trade. It's that simple. If a 10-year-old can do it, anyone can do it, right? We're going to break it down, the lingo, everything that you need to know as a 10-year-old to make money day trading. Let's get into it. Yeah. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and
Landon.
How old are you, Landon? 10 years old. Why do you want to learn about day trading?
To make a lot of money.
Make a lot of money. Let's go. 10 years old and already talking about making lots of money. I like your thought process, my friend. What's interesting is the other day we're talking about Roblox, and he's like, you know, I have this pet, and I'm trying to sell this pet for 70 Roblox, and if you do the math, the value of Roblox for the dollar, he had it all figured out. And I was like, bro, you're literally day trading Roblox pets. So the first thing that we're pulling up here is the Top Step platform, right? You see everything on the chart?
Yeah.
What do you think? Like, if you're looking at this, what do you think about it?
Basically, like the lines, if it goes up, the value must be going up, and if it goes down, the value must be going down, I believe. So,
hey, I mean, he's not wrong, right? If the lines are going up, the value is going up. If the lines are going down, the value is going down. So that's pretty much how it works at the end of the day. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. It's just like when you're buying a pet on Roblox, right? If you buy a pet on Roblox for 10 Roblox, what do you want to sell it for profit-wise?
For like 20 or more.
Ooh, look at that. He already has a 2-to-1 risk ratio as well. Let's go. This kid's got it figured out. Roblox is teaching kids how to become day traders. So, all right, first thing let's focus on here, Landon, is what do we got going on this screen? Buy market, and we have sell market. So I want to buy one contract. Saying I want to buy one pet on Roblox, all right? I want to buy one pet. I want to pay $12,920 for that pet. What do I need to do to make money selling that one contract or that one pet? If I'm buying it $12,920, how do I make money?
For the value to go up, and so then you sell it, so you would make money.
There you go. We're going to buy low, sell high, my friends. A lot of people think that day trading is all about buying high and selling low, but it's actually about buying low, selling high. So what do you got? What do you see right here? You got this big move up.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Big move down.
And then a big move down. But you see what's happening at this level?
Stuck?
It's kind of getting stuck there. But what would that possibly mean?
I'd say probably it would just start going up really high.
Going up again?
Yeah.
You think it's going to go up again there?
Yeah.
It's a good idea. So at the end of the day, there's two very simple ideas here, Landon. Support is basically where the price has bounced at before. The same idea, let's say if you're buying that Roblox pet for $10 and you've seen that other people are buying it at $10. Like it goes up to 12, but then it goes back to 10. People are willing to pay $10 for that Roblox pet. You know that, hey, I could buy it for 10. There's a good chance that it's going to bounce. It's going to go back up a higher price, right?
Yeah.
You have candlesticks. Really simple. At the end of the day, what is a candlestick, right? The candlestick is showing the price movement of this individual stock or this futures contract, whatever it is that we're trading. The candlestick's going to show us where the price is opening and where the price is closing, and also the range, right? So this is 15 minutes of information. Each of these candles right here represent 15 minutes of action. So you can see how this candle went from 3:15 down to 3:14:30. How long does that take to happen?
Like 15 minutes? Right?
15 minutes, he's on it. All right, so the thing here is, what do we got? We got these little wicks. There's a reason they're called candlesticks. Why? Hey, you might not be 10 years old, but if a 10-year-old can learn to day trade, maybe you can as well. If you guys want to learn more about the Top Step Trader program that's going on right now, 40% discount. You can check them out. There's a link down below. This is the platform that we're using and all the breakdown. There's a bunch of videos on the channel. Let's get back into the action here. All right, so obviously red means what?
Bad, like it goes down in value.
There you go. Red means the value's going down. Green means the value's going up. That's simple, okay? Now what happens here is you can see, like, let's find a good candle. See how this has that big wick on the bottom of that candle?
Yeah.
What is that telling me? That the price went down to this level, right? It went down here, and then it pushed back up. And the price opened up here, it went down, it then pushed back up, and then closed at that level. Now, the thing is, once this price starts moving back above this level, this resistance level, remember, the bottom down here is where the people are buying at, being the support, meaning that's where the price is getting bought at. People are trying to buy there. And then if we push over that resistance, that previous area where the price could not push through, what do you think is going to happen? Resistance up top, support down here at the bottom. This is where people are buying. This is where people are selling. And then we break through that level. What do we get? Move higher.
A move higher.
Move higher. Yes, very simple, very simple. Trading is very simple when it comes to what?
Making money?
Making money. No, it's very simple when it comes to finding support and resistance, because we're looking at the chart and we're seeing what is going on with this movement, right? You can see just the other day we bounced off this level, right? So we bounced off this level the other day, and guess what happened? We then bounced off it again today. You see how that's working?
Yeah.
See how the price moved above that and then bounced off here? See how this wick on that 15-minute candle bounced here again?
Yeah.
And now, again, now the price is moving back down to this level. What do you think is going to happen when we get there? Probably might go back up. Might a little bounce off that support area. Because, again, that's where people are willing to buy at, right? This whole support area is acting as support. Buyers are sitting there. Now, if we look up top here, what's interesting is today, the price of the market moved up. And guess what happened? It ran into the... What's the opposite of support?
The resistance.
It's the resistance. It ran into that resistance. Because, look, what do we have? Yesterday, the price of the market moved up to this area, right? That 318 level. And then today, guess what it did? It moved up to that level again, right?
Yeah.
And then it didn't break through. So what's that telling us?
That there's resistance and there's sellers?
Yeah, there you go. Resistance and sellers. So the buyers are down here at the bottom. The sellers are up here at the top. Very simple idea. Resistance, support, support, resistance. All right? That's the VWAP. Can you say VWAP?
VWAP?
VWAP.
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 VWAP. That's the VWAP, and that's basically showing us a overall kind of idea of what the trend is doing, what the market is doing. Remember, those blue lines, the lines on the chart, when we're bouncing off of that action, we're getting support, and people are buying off of those areas. That's kind of like an overall average. So when I see that the price is below the blue line and the yellow line being the EMA, the moving average there, you have the yellow line, the blue line, VWAP, and then that yellow line being the EMA. What do you think is going to happen when the price is below those lines?
The price is going to go down?
That's pretty good. Yeah, it's going to go down. So very simple. When we're below the VWAP, when we're below the EMAs, that's showing us that the trend is pointing down, and that's exactly kind of what's happening. We pushed up to that resistance there at the EMA, and we pulled back. So simple idea here, support, resistance, right?
Yeah.
That simple. It's that simple, my friend. No other questions. You already got it figured out.
I guess so.
You're ready to make money. That simple, that easy. Let's say the market pushes back above this level here. Let's say the candlestick goes doot, and then it pushes up. What are you going to do at that point?
Oh, you're going to buy?
You're going to buy. What's the possible move higher? Think about it like that. So if we push up through this level here, through that resistance, where do you think the next target would be? Where would the market move to next? Through here.
To the resistance?
To the resistance. Oh my, the smartest 10-year-old in the world, my friends. So we push up to that resistance. That's an idea of a target, right? If I'm buying at this level here, my target's going to be up here with that resistance, previous resistance. So support and resistance. And then we have the EMAs, we have the VWAP. So those are indicators we're taking a look at and we're watching. All right, so there's one more very important thing to understand here. You know what that is? You don't want to know what that is?
Yeah.
What it is?
What?
So the very important thing at the end of the day is the trend is your friend, my friend. The trend is your friend, my friend. You can see right here, we have a trend. You understand what a trend is? What does a trend mean? What does that mean if I draw this line and the price action's kind of bouncing and pushing up off of that line, that trend? What would that mean?
That it's happening a lot?
It's happening a lot. That's a good way to look at it. Yeah, the price is bouncing off of that trend line and it's pushing higher, right? So that's what it's doing. It's going from this low to this high. So if you're sitting there and you're trying to buy, where do you want to buy at? If it's happening a lot, where would be a good time to buy when this is moving up?
When it's low?
Yeah, obviously low, but think about it. It keeps touching that yellow line. What do you want to do?
When it touches the yellow line?
When it touches the yellow line, it touches the trend. Because remember, the trend is...
The resistance?
No, your friend. The trend is your friend. That's kind of right, though. Resistance support. But in general, you see the yellow line? We pushed it up to the highs. But what happened when we broke below that trend? You see how this yellow line is supporting, the price is moving higher? What happens when we break the trend and the trend changes?
You sell?
You sell. Oh my gosh, how did he know that? You can see how what happened after that trend line broke.
A lot.
the market went down a lot. So we had this overall trend, and then bam, we got stuck. The market drops, pushes back up, and there again. So the trend line works both ways. It goes up when the trend is moving up, and then when the market is moving down, you have a trend to the downside. So you see how that goes? The market moves up, and then it's trending lower following that trend line. All right, so the market just opened here after hours, and we're looking to see what's going on. What do you think is going to happen? You think we're going up? Should we buy, get long here, or get short?
I say we should buy and we go long.
We go long. We're getting long, he says. Okay. Getting filled there. Let's see if we can get a push up now. We have a little bit of spread here after hours, but we'll see if we can get a push up. What's our profit? How much do you want to make off this trade? $100? Be happy with?
Yeah.
$100? All you want? Okay, let's see if we can get it.
At least 100.
At least 100. All right.
100 at the lowest.
100 at the lowest. That's all you want. All right. Right now we're up $30, $40. Starting to push up. We got to get above that 29 level. All right, we're in the green now. $10. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's up $230. So what do we do? What do you want to do? Take some profit here? We can sell one. You want to sell one? Take some profit?
Sell one.
We're going to sell one. Let's see right there. We're going to sell one. All right, that works out. All right, so we have one left. What should we do? We're up $55 on this right now.
I say we wait.
We wait?
Yeah.
All right, should we put a stop so we just protect ourselves?
Yeah.
Got a big spike, but now it's coming back down. So right now, coming down, 21s. It might get stopped out here. Want to wait till we get, want to move the stop down to this line here?
Yeah.
Want to move it down? So that support there, the EMAs. EMA there at the 16, so we can move our stop down here to the 16. Definitely a waiting game. Patience is key, right?
Yeah.
If you want to get paid, you got to have patience.
Yeah, definitely.
Patience. Well, right now, too, it's after hours, so the market's going to be a little bit slower. But just giving you an idea. Look, oh, now we're pulling back more. Should we buy some more if we get down to that EMA line?
Yeah.
We could do that as well.
Yeah.
What do you think? So averaging down, basically, right now, you can see that our entry's at the 28s. If we buy another one, we're going to average our price down. And then that we're still predicting the price is going to go higher. So if you think the price is going to go higher, now would be a good time to average down. I don't suggest normally averaging down, but we are above the EMA, so it's $1 million question. Do we average down or not?
Definitely, I kind of feel like it's going to go down, but it's going up right now, so I say yeah.
Average up? Or, oh yeah, it's pushing now.
Yeah.
So we're going to buy another one there. You can see our average came down. So we're looking for a push over this level here, that 27 level. Let's get up to the 30s. That'll be beautiful.
Yeah.
Get a nice little move here. You had a feeling. You said it was going to go back up. You said, hold it. Patrick said, hold, he said. Almost in the green. What do we do? Take a small profit, or do we hold on to it?
Hold on.
We're holding on?
Yeah.
Holding on.
Yeah.
Confirming. You want to hold on.
Yeah, confirming.
All right, confirming. He wants that profit. Big profits only, right? What do you think? Keep holding? Keep holding? You tell me when to sell. You tell me when to sell, boy.
Keep holding till we get to the...
You're holding?
Yeah.
You feel good about it?
Yeah.
You think it's going to push?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe not. $40 on this trade.
$40.
$40.
30.
Still holding.
Yeah.
Hold it till we break.
Oh.
Oh! Trying to push up. We're up $70.
Oh.
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Still holding?
Wait.
Still holding?
Just wait.
All right, just hold. We get that one sell out there at $30.75. Can we get it? $120.
Oh.
There we go. Getting the fill. Nice work. All right, so what do we do now? You want to hold on to this? You want to see if it pushes up this high or what?
I mean, I say we hold on till if we see like it start going down.
And then
I say
we sell.
Yeah.
All right, so you tell me when to sell. You talk a little louder.
Either make money or you just lose money. I say if it goes back to 100, we sell.
Back to $100 profit?
Yeah.
So you're trading your P&L right now. That's not a good idea. Trading your P&L. Oh, gosh.
Oh. Once it gets 100, we sell.
$100. That's all you want.
Yeah, that's
All
what I
right.
said.
You tell me.
Sell.
Sell now?
Oh.
Or hold? Oh!
No.
Got denied. What do you think? We should sell now just to get out of it?
Nah.
Or hold on?
At least get like 50.
So you can't trade your P&L though.
What? What's that?
Your profit. You got to trade the trade, not the profits. What do you think? It's coming back down pretty hard. It might not get back to 50.
All right, then sell.
You got it. That's right.
The
moving.
moving.
What's that line?
The moving action?
The moving action. Moving average, same thing. So now what do you think's going to happen? The market's going to push up here again? Should we get long again? What do you think? Market's pushing. Look, we had that big wick there. What do we think about that wick? Sellers, remember the sellers are sitting there. What do you think? Go short? Think it's going to go down or going to go up?
I think it's going to go down.
You think it's going to go down?
Yeah.
You think it's going down, so we should short.
Yeah.
All right, we're shorting.
Would have failed.
We're too short. Now we got to hope the market goes down here. Does the market go down with the young 10-year-old wizard of Wall Street? We need it to go below this level here. It's going down. When do you want to sell?
Like right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
It's only, you're not even going to make $10.
Okay.
You got to get better than that. You got to get at least 50.
All right. 50 then.
$50.
$50.
All right. Well, you think there's that line down there, that EMA, it could pull back to there. What do you think? Keep holding or sell?
Keep
We're up
holding.
almost 50 right now.
Okay. Once we get to 60.
60.
I still feel like it was going to go. No.
Up 80. We're up 80.
Would have failed.
Took a little bit of profit. We're up. We got one contract left. What do you want to do? You want to hold on to it
Hold on.
till it gets down here, this line maybe?
Yeah.
All right. Look, we'll put our stop loss right there. We put our stop loss right at our break even now. So that way, worst come to worst, we're still going to get out for a profit.
All right.
Right? Like worst come to worst, we can't lose money on this trade. Now all we're going to do is keep moving our stop down, and we're going to keep making money. We're at $55 right now. We're moving our stop down with it. Let's just keep moving our stop. We're up $70 now. Look at it. It's still going, boys.
Oh.
We're up 110. Look at that.
That's
We're moving our stop. We're just following it lower. All we got to do is just keep moving our stop down. Up $115. Touching down to the EMA. There we go. We got filled. Beautiful. Look at that. So, again, you made $35 in 50 seconds.
Yeah.
And then you made $100 in 1 minute and 33 seconds. You think you're going to quit your day job?
No.
No? What's your day job? Roblox? Are you making more money trading Roblox or trading stocks?
Stocks, I guess.
Oh, now he wants to trade stocks for life. Okay. All right, so what are some of the key things that you learned today about day trading?
Definitely you have to be very wise about if it's gonna go up or down or what's gonna happen next or what.
But how do you know what's going to happen next?
Because of the candlesticks, the trends, and the wicks.
The wicks. The wicks are important.
Yeah.
We saw that wick. What did we see that wick there? Remember how we saw this wick right here? All that wick on the top of that candle. What did we say? At that point, you're like, what were you going to do? Remember, we saw that wick right here, and then you said sell.
Yeah.
Remember, and the market went down. So that wick gave you an indicator that you should get short.
Yeah.
And you ended up making money. You made money literally on 4 trades in a row. You're better than like 90% of the people that day trade. What's the final tip that you have for day traders out there? You're 10 years old. What are some tips out there for people that are trying to get into day trading? What have you learned so far as a Roblox investor and as a day trader now?
You definitely gotta be very patient and take your time and be very wise about your money.
Ooh, this is a 10-year-old, guys. You said you got to be very patient. You got to be wise about your money. I love it. That's some serious tips from a 10-year-old. Imagine when he's 20 years old. If you start trading today and you start seeing the patterns, you're teaching yourself to learn how to make money, how to do it, and day trade and all that, you could make some serious money, my friend.
Yeah, I really do think so.
You really do think so? So there it is, teaching a 10-year-old how to day trade. I think he's ready for the open markets. I feel like he's honestly probably in a better place than a lot of people that are learning to day trade these days. So, Landon, what is the one thing we close all of these YouTube videos out with?
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. There it is. So I'll talk to you guys later on.